They are so crazy about you. They are so obsessed with you. Listen to this and see what happens, okay? Trust me. They are obsessed with you. You did this. You manifested all of this. They are obsessed with you. They are crazy about you. They are so devoted to you. They see you and only you. They are so obsessed with you. They are always thinking about you. They are even dreaming about you. They cannot stop texting you. They cannot stop calling you. They always want to see your face. They want to see every day what you're wearing. They're obsessed with you. They want to be with you for your entire life. They want to commit to you. In their mind, you are already committed to them. They are obsessed with you. This is the reality. This is real. This is happening right now. They are obsessed with you. They want to see you all the time because you are so beautiful, because you are the chosen one, because everyone wants to choose you and they feel so lucky to have you. They feel like the chosen one. They feel like you honored them by saying yes to them. They are crazy about you, obsessed with you in the best way possible. They're always thinking about you, always want to hear your voice. They always want to call you. They're always calling you. They're always texting you. Your phone always has notifications popping up from their messages. They are constantly texting you on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on every app possible. They are even emailing you. They are sending you love letters. They are sending you handwritten love letters. They are going out of the way for you because you deserve it, because you deserve the best. Because you deserve the best. You have the best love life in the whole world. You literally have the best partner in the whole world. Everyone knows how much your partner loves you. They love you so much. They are so devoted to you. They're obsessed with you, crazy about you. They're always thinking about you. They're always doing things to make you happy, to make your life easy. They want to pamper you. They're always pampering you. They're always spending their money on you. They're always giving you some thoughtful gifts. They always want to travel with you, want to see the world with you. They love you so much. They're obsessed with you. They find you the most beautiful person on this entire planet. They stare at your picture all day. They stare at your picture when they want to feel calm. They call you when they want to feel calm. They always want to talk to you when they're having any sort of problems. They always want to talk to you about their day. They know that your voice fixes everything. Your voice fixes everything for them. Your presence fixes everything for them. They know that you are the one. They know that you are lucky for them. They want to be with you for the rest of their life. You are the love of their life. You are their dream person. They are obsessed with you. They want to pamper you all the time. They're always constantly planning gifts for you, planning trips for you. They always want to plan for you, want to pamper you, want to take care of you. They love taking care of you. They love being committed to you. They love texting you. They love calling you. They love hearing your voice. They love looking at your face, looking at your body. They think you are the perfect person in the whole world. Everything about you is beautiful to them. Everything about you is perfect for them. They love everything about you. Every single thing about you, every physical thing, every mental thing. They love everything about you. They love everything that you did in the past. They love everything that you do now. They love the mistakes that you make. They love everything about you. They love you just the way you are. They love every inch of you. They love everything about you. And they love pampering you. They love talking to you. They love being with you. They are always planning their future with you. They love to live with you. They love to smile with you, laugh with you. They love you so much. They are so devoted to you. They love simping for you. They love talking about you with their family, with their friends. They love everything about you. They love clicking pictures with you. They love eating with you. They love everything with you. They love being alone with you. They love going to parties with you. They love watching movies with you. They literally have an entire list in the Notes app of their phone about everything that you like. They are the perfect person for you, and they love doing things for you. They love complimenting you. They love doing things for you. They love taking care of you. They love providing for you. They love spending their money on you. They love to be with you. They love to touch you. They love to speak with you, to laugh with you, to smile with you. They love everything with you. And everything about you is something that they find perfect. They love you just the way you are. They find you the most beautiful, the most desirable, the most attractive person on this entire planet. They love simping for you. They are such a simp for you. You are their favorite person. You are their favorite person. And that's why they love you so much. They love you just because. They love you just because for existing. They love to bring flowers for you. They love to do thoughtful things for you. They love taking care of you. They love taking care of you. They love taking care of you. They love being committed to you. They love texting you. They love sending you long paragraph messages. They love clicking pictures for you. They love sending pictures of themselves to you. They love everything about you. They love you and only you. They see you and only you. You are the only one for them. You are the only one for them. They cannot fall asleep without talking to you. They are obsessed with you. They are obsessed with you. And they love being obsessed with you. They love loving you. They love being committed to you. They love being your partner. Being your partner is the best thing in the whole world for them. You are their favorite person. They love taking care of you. They love your smile. They love your laugh. They love every inch of your body. They love everything about you. Every decision that you make, every mistake that you make, every mood that you have. They love you in all the colors. They love you in all your moods. They love everything about you. They're just so obsessed with you. And it is so divinely connected. It is so divinely guided. Everything is just meant to be. Everything is happening so easily and smoothly because everything is just meant to be. They are your divine partner. They are the person that you're meant to be with. They know that they're meant to be with you. They know that you are the best person for them. They see you and only you. They love you and only you. They love pampering you. They love every part of you. They love taking a stand for you. They love protecting you. They love guarding you. They love protecting you. They love providing for you. They love everything about you and they love doing little things and big things for you. They love everything about you. They kiss the ground you walk on. They're obsessed with you. They're completely devoted to you. They love doing these things for you. They love making you feel special. They always want to make you feel special because you are their favorite person and you deserve the best things in life and they want to give you all the best things in life. They are always giving you all the best things in life. They are always complimenting you. They are always doing little things for you. They are always planning big things for you. They love you so much. You are like oxygen for them. You are like oxygen for them. They love texting you. They love seeing your face. They love being with you. They love touching you. They love you entirely. Every single part of you. You are the best partner for them and they know it. They are always so emotionally available for you. They are always available for you. They are always available for you because they love you so much. And they love being available for you. They love talking to you. They love texting you. They love FaceTiming you. They love everything about you. They always want to look at your face. They're obsessed with you. They're obsessed with you. You make them feel calm and better. They love you so much. They love you so much. They love you so much.